I found 5 AI tools that made me money while I was sleeping last month. No joke, these aren't get-rich-quick schemes. These are real tools that generate passive income once you set them up. By the end of this video, I'm going to show you exactly how much each tool made, which one is easiest for beginners, and which one has the highest income potential. But first, let me tell you why this actually works in 2026. Passive income used to require huge upfront investments. Real estate, stocks, building a business from scratch. But AI changed everything. Now you can set up income streams in a weekend that keep paying you month after month with almost zero maintenance. I tested 5 of these tools for 30 days. Some made a little, some made a lot, and one of them completely surprised me. I'm going to rank them from lowest earnings to highest. Let's start with number 5. Before I reveal the results, quick question. Are you trying to build passive income right now? Or are you just curious about AI? Drop a comment and let me know. And if you're serious about making extra money in 2026, hit that subscribe button because I test AI tools every single week and show you what actually works. All right, let's get into it. Tool number 5, AI-generated digital products on Etsy. This is where you use AI to create digital downloads like planners, wall art, budget templates, or printable calendars and sell them on Etsy. Once you upload the product, it sells on autopilot. You don't ship anything. You don't handle customer service. Etsy does it all. Here's what I did. I used ChatGPT to come up with 10 product ideas for busy moms. Things like meal planners, weekly schedules, and grocery lists. Then I used Canva AI to design them. It took me about 4 hours total to create 10 products. I listed them on Etsy for $5 to $10 each. In 30 days, I made $73. Not life-changing, but remember, I did the work once. Now those products sit there and sell while I sleep. If I had 50 products instead of 10, that number would be way higher. This is perfect for beginners because you don't need design skills, and Etsy brings the customers to you. You just need to create the products and upload them. Tool number 4, AI affiliate marketing with Amazon Associates. This one is simple. You recommend products on a blog, YouTube channel, or social media. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. The AI part? ChatGPT writes all your content for you. Here's what I did. I started a simple blog using free WordPress. I used ChatGPT to write 10 product review articles. Things like best budget laptops, best kitchen gadgets, top noise-canceling headphones. Each article took about 20 minutes to write with AI. Then I signed up for Amazon Associates, added my affiliate links, and published the articles. I also shared a few on Reddit and Facebook groups where people asked for product recommendations. In 30 days, I made $112 in commissions. Again, I did the work up front. Now those articles sit on my blog and generate sales every month. The more articles you write, the more passive income you make. This works best if you pick a niche you're interested in and stay consistent. Tool number 3, AI YouTube automation with faceless videos. This is where you create YouTube videos without ever showing your face or recording your own voice. AI writes the script. AI generates the voiceover. You just edit it together and upload. YouTube pays you ad revenue. Once a video is live, it can make money for years. Here's what I did. I picked a niche. Finance tips for beginners. I used ChatGPT to write 5 video scripts. I used a text-to-speech tool to generate the voiceover. I found free stock footage and images online. I edited everything in CapCut, which is free. Each video took about 2 to 3 hours to make. I uploaded 5 videos in 30 days. Total earnings? $147 from YouTube ad revenue. And here's the best part. Those videos are still getting views right now. Every month, they'll keep making money without me touching them. If I uploaded 20 videos a month instead of 5, I'd be making way more. This is one of the highest potential passive income streams on this list, but it takes more effort up front. Okay, pause for a second. If you're still watching, that means you're serious about this. So do me a favor. Hit that like button right now and drop a comment telling me which tool you're going to try first. Because I'm about to reveal the top 2 tools that made the most money, and you don't want to miss this. The number 1 tool on this list completely blew my mind. It made more than all the others combined. Stick with me. Let's keep going. Tool number 2, AI stock image and art licensing. This is where you use AI tools like Midjourney or DALL-E to create unique images, and then sell licenses to those images on stock photo websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Creative Fabrica. Every time someone downloads your image, you get paid. It's completely passive. Here's what I did. I used Midjourney to generate 50 high-quality images. Abstract art, nature scenes, business and office concepts, things people search for constantly. It took me about 6 hours total because I had to learn how to write good prompts. Then I uploaded all 50 images to Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. In 30 days, my images were downloaded 73 times. I made $208. That's over $200 for work I did once. And those images will keep selling month after month. If I uploaded 500 images instead of 50, I'd be making thousands. The key is volume. The more images you upload, the more passive income you generate. This is perfect if you're creative and you enjoy experimenting with AI art tools. And now, the number one tool. The one that made the most money while I slept. AI Chatbot Services for small businesses. This is where you build simple AI chatbots using tools like ChatGPT API or platforms like ManyChat, and you rent them out to small businesses for customer service. You set up once. The chatbot runs 24/7. And you get paid monthly. Here's what I did. I reached out to 5 local businesses: a gym, a salon, a coffee shop, a real estate agent, and a plumber. I offered to set up an AI chatbot on their website that answers common customer questions, books appointments, and collects leads. I charged each business $50 a month. 3 of them said yes. That's $150 a month in recurring passive income. Total time to set up each chatbot? About 3 hours. Once it's live, I don't touch it. It just runs. In 30 days, I made $150. But here's the best part. This scales. If I had 10 clients, that's $500 a month. 20 clients? $1,000 a month. All passive, all recurring. This is the highest potential tool on this list, and honestly, it's easier than you think. So let's recap. Tool number 5, AI digital products on Etsy. $73 in 30 days. Easy for beginners. Low effort. Tool number 4, AI affiliate marketing with Amazon. $112. Great for people who like writing or reviewing products. Tool number 3, AI YouTube automation. $147. High potential, but takes more upfront work. Tool number 2, AI stock image licensing. $208. Perfect for creative people. And tool number 1, AI Chatbot Services. $150 in month 1, but it's recurring and scalable. That's $690 total across 5 tools. All passive, all set up in under 30 days. Here's the truth. Passive income isn't about doing nothing. It's about doing the work once and getting paid over and over. These 5 tools prove that AI makes it easier than ever. You don't need to be a programmer. You don't need thousands of dollars to start. You just need to pick one tool, set it up, and let it run. So which one are you going to try? Drop a comment and let me know. And if this video helped you, smash that like button and subscribe to Smart Money AI, because next week, I'm breaking down exactly how to set up an AI chatbot from scratch, step by step, even if you've never written a line of code in your life. You don't want to miss that. Let's build passive income together. See you in the next one.